tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. 2 tan inverse x, which is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Let 2 tan inverse x, which is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. These are the formulas which are applied to the question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, play some trigonometry inverse formula. These are the inverse formulas. Next, sin 3 theta, which is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Next, cos 3 theta, which is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. These formulas also applied question number 1 and 2 reminders. Question 1 said that prove 3 sin inverse x is sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Let us start with RHS. Why we take RHS at first? Now because RHS has large value, then we can easily prove the LHS. Starts with RHS. Let students write down RHS. Sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Let x, which is sin theta. Consider at first x is sin theta, then theta is sin inverse x. Suppose we take x is sin theta, then theta what will be? Theta will be sin inverse x. We putting the value of x sin theta in RHS. Sin inverse 3x, 3 into sin theta minus 4x cube minus 4 sin cube theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin theta. Sin 3 theta, the formula of sin 3 theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Students, we know that 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. What? Sin inverse sin 3 theta. The formula of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is sin 3 theta. Next, sin inverse sin 3 theta. Sin inverse sin x. What will be that? Now this will be sin x. X. Sin inverse sin x means x. That means sin inverse sin 3 theta, which is 3 theta. Now we are putting the value of theta is sin inverse x. So the result is 3 into sin inverse x, which is LHS is proved. Successfully been proved LHS. Students, at first 3 sin inverse x, which is sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube, starts with RHS. Let x is sin theta, then theta what will be? Theta will be sin inverse x. We are now putting the value of x as sin theta. 3x means 3 sin theta, 4x cube means 4 sin cube theta. It is the formula of sin 3 theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, sin 3 theta. Sin inverse sin 3 theta, which is 3 theta. Sin inverse sin x is x. That means sin inverse sin 3 theta is 5 theta. That is the putting the value of a theta as sin inverse x, 3 into sin inverse x. Take screenshot. Question number 2. 3 cos inverse x, 3 cos inverse x, which is cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x, 4x cube minus 3x, where x belongs to minus 1 by 2 1. Sorry, 1 by 2 1. Students, at first we take RHS. Cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. We did not have any value of x, so consider x equal, let x equal cos x. Why we take cos x? Other than because here present is cos inverse x. So x is cos theta. What will be theta? Theta will be cos inverse x. Then the putting the value of x in RHS. What will be? Cos inverse 4x cube. 4x cube means if the value of x is cos theta, it's putting on 4x cube. That means 4 cos cube theta minus 3x means minus 3 cos theta. This is the formula of cos 3 theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is cos 3 theta. Cos inverse cos 3 theta. Now cos inverse cos 3 theta, which is 3 theta. Write down 3 theta. Next, we are going to put out the value theta as cos inverse x. Now answer is 3 into cos inverse x, which is LHS, been successfully proved. Write down. Also take screenshots. Next, students, question number 3. Prove tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 7 upon 24, which is tan inverse 1 by 2. 1 by 2. In this question, take we first LHS. Write down, students, write down LHS. Tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24. Students, now look at this question. What will find? To tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. What is the value of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Tan inverse xy, x plus y upon 1 minus xy. The formula. So with direct formula is applied, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse, so 2 by 11 taken as x, 7 by 24 taken as y. Tan inverse x plus y, that means 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 divided by 1 minus xy. That means 1 minus xy means 2 upon 11 into 7 upon 24. Next, tan inverse 11 into 24 LCM 11 into 24 11 24 into 2 48 plus 77 whole divided by 1 minus 14 by 11 into 24. Next, tan inverse 48 plus 77 125 upon 264 divided 264 minus 14 by 264. Both sides 264 denominator is cancelled. So we find tan inverse 125 upon 250. 264 minus 14 is 250. So 125 upon 250 is cancelled 1 by 2. We find finally tan inverse 1 by 2, which is RHS been successfully proved. Take screenshots. Question number 4, students. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is tan inverse 31 by 17. 31 by 17. Now students, 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So in this 2 tan inverse 1 by 2, we can put the formula 2 tan inverse x. Now let us start with LHS. Two tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now putting the formula for 2 tan inverse x. What is tan inverse 2x? 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 minus x square. That means 1 by 2 whole square plus tan inverse 7. Next, tan inverse 2 cancel. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Next, tan inverse 1 upon 4 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Next, students, tan inverse 1 by 3 by 4, which is 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. There is a formula also found, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. What is the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Write down. Tan inverse x plus y, that means 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 by 1 minus xy. 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. Next, tan inverse 3 7 LCM 21, 7 4 28 plus 3 upon 1 minus 4 by 21. What do we find? Tan inverse 31 by 21 by 21 minus 4 by 21, which is tan inverse 31 by 21 divided 17 by 21. That is tan inverse 31 by 21, which is RHS successfully proved. Take screenshots.